Factor meals versus HelloFresh. Factor meals offer fully prepared meals, just heat and eat in 2 minutes. While HelloFresh is a meal kit, you cook everything yourself with pre-portioned ingredients and step-by-step recipes. Factor meals no cooking, and HelloFresh home cooked feel. Factor meals around $11 to $13 per meal, depending on plan size, while HelloFresh starts lower at about $8 to $10 per meal, but takes more of your time. Factor meals save time while HelloFresh saves money. Factor meals focuses on health, keto, low calorie, high protein, plant-based, while HelloFresh offers balanced meals too but less tailored to fitness goals. Both are fresh, not frozen, but Factor's meals are designed by dietitian ready-made. Factor meals total time have 2 minutes, while HelloFresh total time 2 to 40 minutes. If you are enjoy cooking, HelloFresh is fun. If you're too busy, Factor meals is a lifesaver. You may choose Factor meals if you want speed, healthy meals, and no effort. If choose HelloFresh if you enjoy cooking, want variety on a budget, and have time. Both are high quality. It just depends on your lifestyle. So that's it.